Hello traders, wonderful weekend and good trading week ahead. Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and this is the weekly Forex forecast and market analysis for the week of 13 to 18 of February 2022. I hope you've had a very nice trading week and the previous week, and this coming week looks also very promising. In this video, I would like to share two great trading opportunities. I find one of them is on DAX, the other one is AUDCAD. So let's begin. But right before that, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. Please subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below the video. And also I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club. Enjoy all our real-time trading ideas and real-time education. To follow us, follow the link below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So the very first one on the list is going to be the AUDCAD, a pair that I also shared a video about on the last week. If you missed this video, you can watch it directly in the channel where I analyzed the AUDCAD. I want to make a quick follow-up because I find this opportunity very interesting technically. So what do we have on this pair and why do I find it so interesting? So we've had two big waves up, and the way I see that, we are now completing two other waves down, two corrective waves down. The first leg could be broken into three waves. The second leg could be broken into three waves. That's what builds up an ABCD correction here from my point of view. And the interesting part is that we are in a key zone. So on the move down, we are retesting these two swing lows right now. And the price, as we can see, respecting and rejecting this area, followed by a bullish divergence on the MACD moving averages. While the market creates lower lows, the indicator indicates higher lows, indicating that the control of the sellers is losing at the moment. Taking it to the daily chart, we also can see that the most recent bearish wave ended with a RSI bullish divergence. And what happens from here, it completed a false breakout below this low, fake low, bullish engulfing right at this area. From that moment, we create the higher highs that we can see on a 4-hour chart, much cleaner and better. So here is the 4-hour chart. This high that we just spoke about cleaned. Besides cleaning that, it created three higher highs, higher lows with increasing momentum. When we take a look on the indication, also no indication, it's over. I find it a very interesting technical opportunity. As per good zones for the buys, we have the swing lows in this area, and then the swing lows here. Okay, taking a look on a volume indicator, volume profile indicator that I use, and you can find the direct link to check this indicator below the video in the pinned comment. As you can see, this is a massive volume area, both the 4-hour chart where I'm currently at and the daily and the weekly timeframes. Okay, so again, this looks like a very promising zone and a very good opportunity. If the market managed to complete 3 waves up and 2 waves down, ABCD correction, I believe that from this area that we just marked, we should be looking for possible further continuation upside. This is my view on the AUDCAD. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this pair and how do you find it? Also, if you find this video useful, helpful, and educational, please hit the like button below the video and drop some feedback in the comment section. Your help is very much appreciated, and thank you very much in advance to all those of you who take the moment to help me, my work, and this channel. Taking a look on the DAX as the second opportunity, I can see here that we are running with a slowdown, higher highs on the chart, lower highs on the indicator, MACD moving averages, and also the RSI, clearly indicating that the buyers are losing their control. Daily and the 4-hour would say the same story. After holding this top and making a divergence, we completed first move down, making a lower low. The interesting part here begins on the 4-hour chart, where after a massive bearish momentum we are now building here a very interesting ranging conditions. If we manage to see the market going below and holding below this area, sell the rallies could be a great opportunity for this one, because judging the weekly chart, if the bearish momentum really is here to stay, the next important levels to watch, as you can see, only here, the highs and the lows in this area, and the next one is lower on the volume zone right here. So if the bearish control really takes place and this range, so we saw on the 4-hour chart, is broken, the next move, and it could take a while, don't get me wrong, but it could be a great starting point, and that could be the one that delivers a great move. So once again, multi-time frame analysis comes here in play with divergences and waves analysis and swing points direction, basically the highs and the lows, where they are located, where they are pointed. This, from my point of view, the correct way to deal with any trading opportunity. Read the price action, understand the direction based on the price action and the behavior of the price, rejection in respect of the levels, and the indicators could be great indication for good timing to enter trading opportunities that we find on the way. So let me know, what do you think about the DAX, and how do you expect this one to move? Drop your inputs in the comments below the video. And that's it for this video. To enjoy from all our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education, where all the trading techniques are explained to you real-time as they are applied for every trading opportunity, follow us in our Traders Academy Club, our trading family, with the link below the video. So thanks for your time. Stay healthy, be well, be safe. I'll see you soon with more trading ideas and more educational content. All the best.